Beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is on this dye job and installation of this fall inspired hair. I was inspired by Jasmine Renee. She had the two-tone. I've seen the blondes, like reverse ombre done, but never just with two colors. I've always seen them done with like all the way to black, and I don't really like that. But this is giving me fall. It's giving me, yeah, just giving me fall. It's giving me fall leaves. This is not a leaf on my hair. Like, I just feel like I'm giving you very much fall. Like, hello. The ends are bumped, you know, some slight, you feel me? This hair is from JaLeah hair. I'm about to go ahead and switch over to voiceover mode and then come back to do the install. So stay tuned for that. Get ready to hear me yep, because that's what I love to do. And we can get into it.
All I gotta say is, mwah! And you already know who it is.
So I was supposed to show y'all the day before how I fucked up dyeing, but I showed you that mistake, but not the other one. The other one, it wasn't on my camera. You know what? I didn't feel bad about it because it don't even matter. We're here to do this right now. These are the colors I'm using. I'm using Adore Honey Brown, Paprika, and Ginger. Get those from your local beauty supply store like I did. I don't know, I'm not sure about linking them, but if I can link them, I'll link them in the description box. So as you can see, this hair was colored, but it don't even matter. So we never go talk about it. Like, just ignore it. Like, let's just, what are you talking about? Yeah. Anyway, so I'm doing the mix of it was a half of honey brown left in there. It was half the bottle. So I used the whole half and the whole paprika, and I mixed them together because I wanted a like reddish brown, but I really wanted it brown, but I wanted it red too. I wanted it to look like leaves, like fall, you feel me? Like real leafy shit going on here. What I'm doing now is I'm just blending it out, making sure all the hair is saturated. That's the key to coloring hair, just making sure it's all covered. If you cover it up, you're gonna be fine. But what you also don't want is no like harsh lines. So what I'm doing right now is trying to create the gradient effect. I start doing the gradient effect by using my comb to comb through and like use my fingers and like a swipey motion. You'll see that a lot. And then I'll go ahead and wipe my gloves off and use my fingers to add the ginger color to the top. And this part is like really crucial because you don't want to like make this harsh. I feel like this is like the most important blend. Like the other blend is like really important, but you want this to blend really nice too. So it's gonna make a nice little orange color, and that'll blend together really nicely. And then for the top, you just want to make sure that you like get you don't want nothing harsh. Like, just make sure you don't leave it harsh. Look at it. You want no straight line. There's my little bun. Say hey to my little bun. Yeah, bun. Come on, bun. Y'all remember I used to be bald headed? I ain't bald headed no more. That was a braid wrapped around itself, put into a bun for me. That wasn't no little two-step ponytail. You feel me? That's hair right there. I'm fooling, but yeah, right, as you can see, I'm doing a little two-finger motion now where I'm trying to make sure everything is blended out, and make sure your sections are small. The smaller your sections, the better your blend will be, and the more saturation your hair will get. So those are my tips for that. I don't think I really got much else to say. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory, and it's not that hard at all. Like, and then I also had a guideline because I fucked up before. So I guess what y'all gotta know is that you can fuck up, but you can fix it. Unless you can't fix it, then I don't know what you did to have fucked up that bad where you can't fix it. But people like me, who only kind of mess up, yeah, it's possible. You can fix that. Everybody else, I don't know about y'all. But us, I'm talking y'all's ear off. I know people who just came for tutorials hate me. Hey, my name is JaLeah. I talk y'all's ear off. I yappity yap like I said. But anyway, I'm mixing the the yellowish blonde, and I'm combing it through, making sure everything is blended out. And I know you see that. I know you see that blend. It looked real good. It looked real good. It looked way better than the first time. So look at this. Yeah, and then here it is, like slightly wet. It was damp. Ignore that trash in the corner of my room. I'm getting my life together right now. Mind your business. So I showed y'all what it looked like. You see that the gradient looked real good, looking like somebody's sunset, looking like somebody's turning leaf. Like, we're looking real good, like, period. And I also want to say that this 613 hair is really good. Like, I'm wearing it in my head and I've had it in for a few hours. I just installed the wig today, but you know, you can just tell. Here it is when I flat ironed it. I did the chase method, and please look at that shine. I had a little bit of silk in it, but other than that, that's how the hair looks. So here I go to install it. Let me shut the fuck up, and I'm gonna talk your ear off then too, but bye. I hit the fuck out of my elbow just now. Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Today I did my intro already. I'm tripping. Hey. I'm in a good mood though. So I'm on good time right now. It's currently 4:43. I want to be done before 6. So really on good time right now. So I feel like there's no reason for me to rush or anything. We're going to do this install. I already sprayed some even tinted lace spray on my lace. And now we can get into it. I feel like this is going to be cute or whatever. I'm a little worried about this size because they have like these... I guess it's to make sure the wig fits your head, but it's kind of in the way of where I put my sideburns. So it's kind of, I don't know. We're going to figure it out though. It's going to be fine. It's going to be fine. So right now I'm just going to adjust my wig, make sure it's at where it needs to be. And then I'm going to go ahead and add a few clips so we can get to installing. I'm going to use the Slayer Bay glue again. I really love it. Like, there's no way around it. I love the glue. It's some good glue. And now I'm hot. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put on this fan and be back. So I'm really conflicted on what I want to style this like, but we don't gotta worry about that right now. I'm gonna just install it, and if I feel like it looks really good, like just in the middle part, I mean that's what we can do. But I really want to do like 2 ponytails with some bollies. Like that would be cute. I'm probably gonna end up doing that because that's just different. I can be a middle part bitch any other day. So I'm gonna do the 2 ponytails. You like how I just tell myself what I'm gonna do? Like I don't even need no input. Like I just know it's cool. So now I'll just cut it. I cut the 3 slits the 2 slits like I usually do. And let me get this hair off my lash. And now I'm gonna go ahead and I put it back. I don't matter if it's right there or not. I'm gonna go ahead and put the glue. I'm only gonna do 1 layer because like I be saying, I don't be wanting my wigs to be on that long. I like to rock them 3 days max, and after that I rip the bad boy off. I'd be like, how do you take off your wigs, girl? I pull them off. You don't need to record a video about that. Like, and then if I say nah, lately, hold on, let me blend this out real quick, and then I'm gonna tell you what I've been doing lately to get my wigs. So it's a cute little tip for y'all. To get off my wigs lately, if they're like too stuck to my head, I've been using the Super Hair Bar Remover. You know, hair glue, just get the hair glue out your hair. So this takes my wigs off in like 5 seconds. They just slide on right off. I feel like it's $3. You feel me? It worked. That's what I be using now. I put on my lace and then I like let it sit for a second and then it goes ahead and it melts off. Like that's it. I'm not talking about what I'm doing. I guess I kind of just expect y'all to know by now. Like what is there to talk about? Like you know what I be doing. I'm gonna go ahead and press this lace on it. And then we can move on to the next section. There's not much to talk about for real. You know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna keep it going. And I can talk to you when it's time to style, I guess. I'm gonna keep installing. Because I keep on talking about other things. And it's not really productive. Like, I mean, you can talk about other things. Hey. I always be like, follow me on Instagram. But for real, if you don't follow me on Instagram, like, you're really missing out. Because that's where I be most of the time. And I want to hit 20K. I'm gonna hit 20K on Instagram before the end of the year, like period. That just is what that is. So if you would like to help me assist in that, I mean I'm gonna do it with or without your follow, baby. But if you want to help out, follow me, Beauty via JaLeah. It's always linked in the description box. You don't even gotta type it in. Just click the link. It's gonna take you to the Instagram app. Boom, there I am. Follow me on Instagram. I be on live a lot. I be on my story. I being funny or whatever. So yeah, follow me. Period. I'm pretty sure I went over it in the voiceover part for the color, but y'all, this color, you know, was a lot. And I really want to take like a color class. I saw there's only one girl that I like saw on Instagram that was offering one. Her name was Cynthia Luzame or something like that. But she only had it for like 1 color, and it's like achieved this particular color. And it's like it was a cool color, but it's not the color. Like I want to learn like the basics. Like I don't want to go to hair school or nothing, but I want to know like how to do shit. So I can do shit for myself. I got a new fan. You ready? I know how to open them now. Dollar Tree. And that's all I'm gonna say. I know y'all been asking me a lot too, like when you gonna do an updated makeup routine. I'm gonna do my full face. I'm gonna record that video this week. So be on the lookout for that. That's happening. Like, I'm making content, y'all. I'm making content. Yeah, this pink that's in my hair, it really was unintentional. I think when I dried my hair, it like touched the root and it kind of gave this. But my color job on this looks really good. I just wish that I like knew more so I could stop making mistakes and I can dye hair twice. That's all I want to do. Stop dyeing hair twice. It pisses me off. Y'all know, y'all get y'all's little 20-minute video and y'all don't care about what happened behind the scenes, but sometimes that shit be pissing me off. I feel like I try so hard sometimes and like it don't be coming out how I want it to come out, and that's why I be so mad in my videos. But I feel like I'm allowed to be. Like, this is my craft or whatever. But see, like on days like this when I have like ample time to get my shit done, I'm way more chill. Cause I was supposed to record this video yesterday. Hair on my lip. I was supposed to record this video yesterday, but my hair didn't come out right, so I had to redo it. And I was so sad. Like, man, I had plans, and I'm like, well, I'd much rather do my video when I have like an abundance of time and I can sit and talk and we can kiki. But when I'm like stressed, it never turns out good to me, and I hate uploading those videos. I hate uploading the videos when I'm like all stressed out about like how everything's looking and stuff, or like trying to put a look together before the sun goes down. Like, it's just really stressful, and especially now since the sun is setting like way earlier now, because you know it's about to be winter. I don't know, I'm just really working on trying to be more better with everything. Like, be more better with everything. That's my motto for right now. I'm just trying to be more better with everything. For real though, I'm really trying to work out of bad habits. Like, I don't think you understand how over I am being sad. Like, it's really not fun. I don't be having a good time. It's really embarrassing sometimes. And I miss out on opportunities sometimes because I just be so fucking... Well, I don't feel like I'd be sad. Like, I don't be sitting here like crying or nothing. But you know, you for me, if you depressed, you know. But like, yeah, like I just don't want to do it no more. So I've been taking supplements. I'm going to update you guys on my Instagram stories about how those are going. So follow me on Instagram. And I'll talk a little more about those on there. And I probably even make like a highlight about it. I'm trying to like learn more. Because like, this video is not about this. But yeah, in so many words, I'll do a get ready with me soon. And I'll update y'all more on that. But in so many words, I'm really trying to be better. So here I am, 4:53. Need to be ready by 6. I'm gonna be ready by 6. Like, and that's just period. And I don't even need to be ready at 6. Like, I gave myself 6 to like give me more time. So now it's time to erase off this lace. This is going by pretty fast. I keep forgetting that I recorded how to do the color. I'm like, damn, this video is short as hell. I'm feeling bad for talking a lot and not talking about the hair, but like, what else is there really to say? Like, not for real, I probably did put my wig way too far back. And now I gotta have a swoop in my hair. Ain't that fucking crazy? Yeah, I'm really not telling y'all what I'm doing. Yeah, I'm tired. Honestly, I think this is me being tired of doing it. And so now I'm gonna, and like y'all don't see what the fuck I'm doing. like, what is there to talk about? Like, what is there to talk about? What is there to talk about? I don't want to talk about it no more. Now some razor off around the area. But like, see, if I just let y'all watch me do that, y'all would know that was what I was finna do. So like, what did I need to say that for? Did my forehead look big as hell? Like, why did I do this? Do I gotta pull my whole shit up? I think I gotta pull my shit up. Well, time to try again. I'm gonna put my wig on again off camera because y'all already seen what I just did. There's no need to do it again. But I can't have my forehead out here looking that big. Like, I was really tripping. Like, my forehead not big in real life. But if I put on this wig, my forehead better be 2 inches small. I'm gonna tell you that. Alright, I'll be back. I'll put on this wig again. So, I fixed it. We're fine. My forehead is a little smaller to me now. Before it was looking like, why would I do that to myself? Like, why would I just give myself my own fat ass forehead? Like, that don't even make no sense. So now, I'm gonna throw in this elastic band. Just make sure everything is nice and sealed now, because I did just rip off the wig like it was nothing. And it kind of was nothing, like it didn't hurt or nothing, but like, because I don't think it was dry fully when I was doing it. So it just came up. But had I done like the elastic band portion and it was like really in there, then I don't think that would have worked out like that. I'm finna get my middle part together, so I'm gonna get my stick. Somebody asked me where to get this from, and I don't know. It was given to me. It's a long story, but in long story short, it's like PR but like not PR, how it worked out. So I don't know, it's probably at your local beauty supply store. The Easy Edges stick, the one that I be using, yeah, it's probably at your local beauty supply store, baby. And I'm just gonna fix my part up because after I moved it around, shit kind of got lost. But I also like nicked a fat ass hole in it because I was tugging on the wig and I only had one little T-pin in it, and man, that was a bad idea. I ripped a hole in this. So y'all can't see it. I can't see it. I don't even know where it's at. I mean, it's like right next to this part. I think I got it over enough so you can't see it. But like the hole is like right here. I flat ironed this so good. And this, I want to talk about it. Yeah, this is some good 613 hair. And like, I can tell. It's been through a lot, you know, fucked with me the whole way through. I dyed my hair twice in one day. Didn't even deep condition it, and it feels really good. But it's also straight hair, and you really can't fuck up with straight hair. Like, you can't. It's really hard to not have good straight hair. I'm gonna use this ORS olive oil Fix It Super Hold Spray, and I'm gonna just add like a little bit on top of this because I can. But not too much, because like spraying stuff can like change the color of like the blonde, and I want it to be real blonde. But y'all can't even see, so I'm gonna stand up so y'all can see the full transition. I tried to get a video of it before I started, but here's what that's looking like. I don't even know how to flirt. Like, people DM me flirty stuff, and I'm just like, haha. I don't got nothing for them. I really don't. So, baby hair time. Baby hair time. Baby hair time. Baby hair, baby hair, baby hair time. This is my Sweetie Edge Control. I used so much of that just now. This gonna be control. I'll tell you that. Yeah, baby hair just always makes me feel better. Like, I just feel like once I get the baby hair on, it's like really up. It's really up. And it's stuck. Like a mug. And I'm crunk. Yeah, that's all I got for y'all. One day though, I'm gonna make a song just to say I did it. Because I feel like that's something I want to do. I also make a song. And just make my song and make my one song. And then that's it. I don't ever want to make a song again. I don't want to perform it nowhere. I just want to have my song, and it be a hard-ass song, and then we just accept that it was a hard-ass song altogether, and then I never say anything else about it again. I'm not real big on plucking parts, but I don't like putting concealer on blonde wigs because it just don't be looking right. So, yeah, that's the method behind that. It just don't be looking right. But when you pluck it, it gives it a more natural look because you can see the lace. But I'm on my part too wide either. Y'all be fucking up, having them wide old parts. Ain't nothing cute about a part that's thick, you know? Ain't nothing cute about that. So that's the hairs for now. I'm about to do this TikTok real quick. And if I feel like after the TikTok, I'm going to do this style, and I'm going to do it. I feel like I probably just should because I had the time to. Like, I can. But I'm going to do this TikTok real quick with the hair like this. And then I'll see how I feel. This literal 1-second clip got copyrighted, so follow me on TikTok, JaLeah, if you want to watch this. I'm not singing it this time. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I ended up actually just leaving it like this. So I figured out if I'm going to do the style, I might as well just wait till I want to do the style because when you got makeup on, it's how you got to itch your face. But yeah, like I figured the color was kind of the style. Like there's no need for me to add extra because this is the look. So follow me on Instagram, you already seen it. You see the thumbnail, same pictures. But I can't feel enough. Follow me on Instagram, 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 follow me on Instagram. I couldn't even say my username because I want you to follow me so bad. Beauty via JaLeah. Beauty via JaLeah. Follow me on Instagram, Beauty via JaLeah. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. And I was gonna say sorry for not talking it through, but I feel like y'all don't really care because they're just here to see me anyway. So bye, beautiful.